Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your Sellfy store URL? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the URL to your Sellfy store anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling your products through Sellfy, you know that they generate a URL link automatically, and maybe you want to change it to something a little bit more professional. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change your URL link to your Sellfy store, here on the left side, you're going to click on store settings. Once you do that, you're going to be in the store settings. And in order to change the URL, you're going to scroll down until you see this section here, store URL. So you can see this one was automatically generated. So all you're going to do is go ahead and highlight it and change it to your preferred URL. So let's do best tacos. Okay, now you can see it's going to be https besttacosworld.sellfy store, and you want to be sure to click on the blue save button. Okay, you are going to get this warning that if you change the URL to your Sellfy store, all the links that you had before, they're going to be broken. So make sure that you update those links so you're not missing out on any traffic or sales. If you're okay with that, click on yes change. All right, next you're going to see this little green pop-up, store URL changed. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change your Sellfy URL link, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.